Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Undercook your pasta. Cook 1 minute less than the package directions to avoid a mushy mac and cheese. Swap rich cream for all or half of the milk in the recipe. Cook your pasta in salted water. Season every layer of your sauce. The roux, after the milk is added and after the cheese is melted in.
Take our lead.
Drain the macaroni, giving it a few good shakes to get as much water out as possible. Some people prefer to rinse the pasta briefly to keep it from getting mealy. It removes excess starch released by heat. Remove the sauce from the stove and stir in the grated cheese and the cooked macaroni.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to make leftover mac and cheese creamy. First, grab a microwave-safe bowl. Put however much mac and cheese you plan on eating into the bowl. Add milk. The biggest secret to reviving leftover mac and cheese is to add a little bit of milk when you reheat it. Cover with plastic wrap. Heat it up, slowly.
Take our lead.
According to the kitchen, cooking your noodles in milk instead of water makes the sauce creamy before you even add the cheese sauce. The starches in the noodles get released as you cook them, helping to thicken the mixture from the start. That will ultimately help with the resulting creaminess.
Take our lead.
Basic spices that you may already have in your pantry that would work well include red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper, Italian seasoning, chili, onion, and garlic powder. If you're willing to take a trip to the store, spices like cumin, curry powder, dry mustard, and paprika are all wonderful additions.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.